Came outside this morning, cleaning off my porch. Did I say TikTok?
Yes, you did.
Oh no. Hey you guys, this is Mrs.Ladybass here. Came outside this morning to find some baby birds on my porch, on my shelf where I've been storing my things. So yeah, I've taken the nest down, but the birds were determined to grow. So I don't know, I don't hear anything. So how many was it?
It's 3.
So there were 3. And now, it was in the nest? Where was the nest? Here's what there was the nest. Did you run them off?
Shit, where'd they go? Oh, shoot.
What did you do?
They gonna be quiet, I tell you that. They sure will be quiet.
Where's the other one? What you do with the one you just had?
Put in the thing right here on the paper.
So Rose can get it?
Rose can't get it. It's in the what's name?
Trace.
Right here.
Found baby bird number 3.
God damn.
Quick.
Quick. Gotcha.
Number 3, hold on. Hold on, let me get a good look. Be quiet. Mama made several nests and I've been taking them down, but I guess I missed one. So if anybody know what kind they are, please let me know. Let us know.